like to switch up my moisturizers. I get tired of it every 3 or 4 months, and I picked this Elizabeth Arden up. This is the Elizabeth Arden Advanced Ceramide Lift and Firm Face Cream. Goes on smooth, absorbs really fast, and instantly it feels like it's doing something. Deep hydration that lasts. If I put it on in the morning, I feel nice and refreshed all day long. If I put it on at night, the next morning, I do feel still hydrated. The texture is very lightweight, and you can use it at day or night. Not greasy at all whatsoever. This smells amazing. I've been using it for quite a while now, and I have a noticeable smoothing effect. My skin looks a little bit more refreshed. And what I like about this, a little goes a long way. You do not need to over apply at all. And this is a strong option if you want visible results from a day or night cream and not just a basic moisturizer. Highly recommend the Elizabeth Arden Advanced.